What's up, guys? Here we go again. Today we're gonna be going to FTI, Florida Truck Invasion by Star Cartel. My compadre, JC, Broke Boy Built, is doing me the favor to tow the truck so we can go to the show.
Y andamos bien placosos.
Mira nomás. ¿Cuál Jerry Twig ni que la chingada?
No, como quiera, saludos para el Jerry Twig.
Hoy, shout out.
Por eso la traigo, porque mira, ese güey se mira bien placoso.
Ahí nomás quedó. We already on our way. It's already loaded. So hopefully it's a good show. Hopefully it doesn't rain on us. Y a ver cómo sale. Alright, ya vamos en camino. We about an hour and a half from right here.
Yeah.
Traigo chofer y todo el pedo. A ver si no me sale caro el Uber.
We're about like an hour and 15 minutes. We spent like 15-20 minutes here at the rest area. We got a little break, but it should be about like an hour and 15 minutes.
Pues ahí vamos. A ver qué sale. Made a quick fuel stop here. The guys from Galvan catch up to us, riding together. And look at this cool wrap. The Mamalona. Famous guys right there. Yeah, okay. Ya llegamos. Show us over there. I'm gonna unload the truck real quick. La Escalade se la rifó, compadre. Vamos a bajarla.
Que no me gusta buscarle, pero hay veces que le hacemos a gozar de la vida.
No one take no chances, dog.
Los carros que están del lado.
Que lo que yo te ofrezco es algo incondicional.
Paso a paso soy la escalera. Muchos años tengo en el poder. Porque Dios que quiero bajarme. De que arriba los miro caer. Sigo siendo, le pone bonito ambiente. El baile me ha comenzado entre las 6 y las.
Rice's suspension.
The fucking road is shit here. Let me get over it.
So we made it back. I didn't record a lot over there because I'm still getting used to recording and vlogging and everything. Thank you to my compadre. He brought me home safely. And we brought home this. Best 15, top 15.
Top 15.
FTI, Florida Truck Invasion. First trophy for the Mamaloni. And I guess we go from here. Ahí quedó.
First trophy for the truck for the Mamalona. Quedó al 100 la güey. He's working hard on it. Make sure you guys subscribe to his channel. Check out some more content coming soon.
All right. Thank you guys. Subscribe, like, and comment. Or however it goes.